Good morning, my name is John Wong, and today I'm going to talk to you about the order of operation. Now for most students, for eons, they have memorized this order by this acronym, PEMDAS, and they even have a rhyme to go with it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now the way it is, even though parentheses should go first, exponents should go next, but multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, in this order gives the wrong impression that multiplication precedes division. So when we have an example such as this, where you multiply first, and then you divide, getting the answer 1, this is incorrect. So we have to teach students that where there is a division and a multiplication, what goes first is what comes from the left and goes to the right. So it should be 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Then you multiply times 2, which is 4, and that is the correct answer. This becomes a little bit troublesome because students have to unlearn and then add some new rules. So to prevent this, I'm going to suggest a more accurate acronym, which is parentheses first, exponents next, and division first, and then multiplication, and then subtraction, and then addition. To demonstrate this, we now go to do the same, but use 8 times 4 divided by 2. Now, ordinarily, in math classes, we teach going from the left to the right when we have both multiplication and division. So this would be 32 divided by 2 equals 16. Now, under my scheme, I say whenever you see both, you always do division first. This will be 2 then, 4 divided by 2. And then if you multiply by 8, it will give you the same result. Another example, let's say we have 16 divided by 8 times 4 divided by 2. Again, in the traditional way that we teach, we go from the left to right. This will yield 16 divided by 8 would be 2. 2 times 4 would be 8. And 8 divided by 2 would be 4. The correct answer. Now, under my scheme, you would do this first. This would be 2. And you would do this next, would be 2. And you multiply, and you will get the same answer. Now let's see if it works for addition and subtraction. We have 4 plus 3 minus 2. Now we ought to go from left to right when we have both the addition and subtraction. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 2 would be 5. Now, under my scheme, I always do subtraction first. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 4 plus 1 is the same answer, 5. Let's take another more complicated example. Perhaps 6 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 2. In the traditional way, we would do 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 4 will give you 7, plus 3 equals 10, minus 2 equals 8. This would be the correct answer. What if I do, according to my scheme, you would have 5 minus 4 equals 1, 3 minus 2 equals 1, and then you have 6 plus 1, and that will give you the same answer. The reason this acronym and priority is more correct because it's more simple, and the student will have to only memorize this process, this order of operation, and don't have to worry about what comes left, what comes right. Thank you very much.